Ready to go green without breaking the bank? Check out our top 10 picks for the cheapest electric cars of 2023. But before we dive into the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications on. Number 10. 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5. The 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5 is an electric SUV that has an electric-only powertrain available in multiple potencies. With a battery capacity of 77.4 kilowatt-hours and a single electric motor, the Hyundai produces an impressive 225 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. But the Ioniq 5 is not just about performance, it's also designed to be practical and versatile. It has a spacious and flexible interior, with a cargo space of 27.2 cubic feet behind the rear seats, and on folding the second row seats, 59.3 cubic feet of cargo space becomes available. The 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5 has a starting price of $41,450. The 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5 is a great electric SUV that offers a lot of features and is perfect for those who want to go green and save money on gas. Number 9. Hyundai Ioniq 6. The 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 6 is an ultra-sleek sedan. It also uses some of the same design elements that give the Ioniq 5 its distinctive look, including the pixelated lighting elements and the clamshell hood. As soon as you settle into the Ioniq 6's leather-wrapped seats, you'll feel right at home. The seats provide ample support, and the material is luxuriously soft to the touch. The Ioniq 6 shares a platform with the Ioniq 5. Its powertrain mostly mirrors that model's offerings. The standard Ioniq 6 packs 149 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. It can travel 240 miles on a single charge. The 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 6 starts at $41,600. Number 8. 2023 Kia Niro EV. The 2023 Kia Niro EV is a fine SUV with a small footprint and ample cargo room. The base price of the 2023 Kia Niro EV is $33,000. The redesigned 2023 Kia Niro EV is a lot more noticeable on the road than its predecessor thanks to intriguing lighting elements and two-tone body panels. The base model comes with an 8.0-inch central screen and is supported by voice control. The all-electric subcompact SUV also has a snazzier interior that includes distinctive styling and digitized instruments. Under the hood, the new Niro EV features a 201 horsepower electric motor feeding the front wheels and 188 pound-feet of torque that provides quick acceleration and ample power for highway merging and passing. It has a maximum driving range of 253 miles on a full charge. Number 7. 2023 Volkswagen ID4. The 2023 Volkswagen ID is an electric car that is part of the first generation of ID4s. It is an SUV that nicely pairs practicality with comfort and adequate driving range to allow drivers to make the switch from gas to electric. It comes with power options ranging from 201 to 295 horsepower and offers both rear and all-wheel drive options with up to 275 miles of range. The new 2023 Volkswagen ID4 offers a 58 kilowatt-hours battery capable of delivering 208 miles of driving range. The base price of this SUV starts at around $39,000. Number 6. 2023 Mazda MX30. Front seat space is enough to fit 2 adult Americans, but the rear seat is far more cramped, both in the head and legroom. A floating center console is right on trend. Cargo space behind the MX30's rear seats isn't exactly generous, but folding the rear seats flat helps to make some space. The 2023 Mazda MX30 has a range of 100 miles on a full charge. The battery is capable of charging on standard AC power, as well as more modern and faster DC chargers. All-wheel drive is not available, and the motor only drives the front wheels. The 2023 Mazda MX30 has a 35.5 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery powering an electric motor with 143 horsepower and 200 pound-feet torque. It takes 8.7 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The 2023 Mazda MX30 starts at $34,110. Number 5. 2023 Hyundai Kona. The 2023 Hyundai Kona Electric is an all-electric small SUV with a starting MSRP of $33,550. The 2023 Hyundai Kona Electric has a sleek, spacious touch with slim design seats to make room for a larger cabin space. The car interior is designed to deliver a special experience. A 201 horsepower electric motor drives the front wheels and is powered by a 64.0 kilowatt-hours battery pack. It has a driving range of 258 miles on a single charge. The Kona Electric reaches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.4 seconds. The Kona Electric can be charged on a 240-volt outlet, and it can also be charged at a DC fast charging station. Number 4. 2023 Mini Cooper Hardtop Signature. The Mini's interior is charmingly quirky. Rear seat passenger space is tight, but front seat occupants will find little reason to complain. It has a shorter maximum driving range than most electric cars, but it's still a great choice for city driving. The car has a starting MSRP of $33,900. It comes with a long list of standard features, including a 6.5-inch infotainment display, a rear-view camera, automatic climate control, and leather-wrapped steering. Under the hood, the electric motor produces 181 horsepower and 199 pound-feet of torque. It reaches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.7 seconds and has a range of up to 110 miles on a single charge. Number 3. 2023 Nissan Leaf. The 2023 Nissan Leaf has a revised exterior and a streamlined model lineup. It is equipped with a 40 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery and a 110 kilowatts electric motor that delivers 147 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque. It's a weak motor, but it does allow the Nissan EV to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7.4 seconds. Nissan Leaf is an affordable and straightforward EV that you can buy if you want to go green without causing a dent in your wallet. The 2023 Nissan Leaf has a starting price of under $29,000. Number 2. 2023 Chevrolet Bolt EUV LT. The 2023 Chevrolet Bolt EUV LT is an electric vehicle that comes with a 65.0 kilowatt-hours battery pack and has a driving range of 247 miles on a single charge. The 2023 Bolt EUV takes the regular Bolt EV hatchback's underpinnings and tops them with sheet metal that makes it look much more like an SUV. The electric motor is capable of producing 200 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque. It is built on the same platform as the Bolt EV hatchback, but has a more SUV-like appearance. The Bolt EUV LT comes with standard Chevy Safety Assist. The LT model starts at $27,800. Number 1. 2023 Chevy Bolt EV. The 2023 Chevy Bolt EV is a small hatchback that has a modern and sleek design. It has a sporty look with a low and wide stance. The 2023 Bolt EV has a spacious and comfortable interior with a modern design and high-quality materials. It has a 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 2023 Chevy Bolt EV is a small hatchback that packs an electric motor producing 200 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque, giving it good acceleration. The Bolt EV has a decent range of an estimated 259 miles on a full charge. That's it for today, guys. Which one of these cars would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Before we leave, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on.